people aren't educated on knowing how much money you can save your company by outsourcing the cleaning. Number one, you're not having to provide the training. We have professionals that are certified in cleaning, also using a professional cleaning service rather than using an in-house employee. If you're talking about floor work or window cleaning or carpet cleaning, outsourcing that can really save you money in the long run, not only with your employees or staffing, it also helps maintain your building in the long run because you're using a professional company to clean carpets, to maintain floors. And all of our people are trained and certified. We clean everything from federal contractor buildings, distribution centers, to a ton of healthcare campuses. You know, a lot of these corporations have audits and they get penalized if they're not following, you know, an OSHA guideline or I guess a EPA guideline or, you know, a cleaning guideline for their better interest instead of getting the penalties. 'Cause sometimes just utilizing a cleaning service that can specialize in those areas to make sure that we're protecting their company will save them so much more money in the long run. You have to maintain your building just like you have to maintain a car when you take it through a car wash. If you want it deep cleaned, then you have to go get it detailed. There's just different levels of clean, but it is up to the cleaning company, and I feel like it's our job as, you know, a service provider to educate these businesses and to let them know that we're there to help with them with the solution. In the long run, we do want to help our clients save money. We want to know that, you know, not only are they giving us their business, but 2-3 years from now that they think, oh my gosh, these guys are awesome. They take care of us. And so we do quality control inspections, and we inspect those buildings weekly to make sure that we're following our guidelines that are compared to their cleaning specification sheets. We provide those to our clients on a weekly basis. We also provide extra cleaning people on a quarterly basis, just on us, that are called our floaters, that help to go out and maintain buildings. So, I mean, there's a lot of extra things that we do to personalize our business.